Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a reliable baseline. First, check GPU and CPU temps, utilization, and record FPS under typical load so you know what to beat. Next, close background programs and switch power settings to high performance to remove throttles. Then update GPU drivers and install game patches and verify game files in the launcher. Once done, you'll have clear metrics and a controlled environment to start tuning performance without chasing phantom issues. You now tune the game itself so that visuals and performance align. Start by setting native resolution and a sensible render scale. Use 16:9 or your monitor's native ratio. Then reduce the most expensive effects, shadows, anti-aliasing, ambient occlusion, and volumetrics, because they often yield the biggest frame rate gains. Enable a frame rate cap or VSync/variable refresh to stabilize latency and reduce stutters. Once done, run a repeatable benchmark or a 2-3-minute gameplay loop to compare results and adjust iteratively. To finish, make system-level tweaks and validate stability. You should set the game to high priority, ensure the dedicated GPU is selected, and enable game mode in the OS. These remove scheduling conflicts. Use an overlay or profiler to identify whether you're CPU-bound or GPU-bound, then focus optimizations accordingly. If crashes, unstable FPS, or microstutters continue, roll back recent drivers, run a memory test, and monitor temps under load. If needed, revert a change you made and test one variable at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.